Hello guys, it's me Kirti. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to react on Maitree's video, and you know Maitree is on trending. Yes, Maitree के सारे videos trending पे हैं. And so many of you requested me to react on their sense and tones. So yes, today I'm going to do that. Today we are going to react on Maitree's video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm super excited, but I'm iOS user, so I don't know Samsung के ringtones. So it's a new and first impression for me also. Wow, guys, I am speechless right now because I don't know ये कैसे कर लेते हैं. These people are so talented. If you have missed my iPhone reaction videos, go give it a watch. Oh my god, I started falling in love with them, and these people are amazing. I am speechless right now because I have no words to describe their beauty, their talent. Incredible, amazing, and I enjoy watching their videos. And बोलते हैं ना, वो तारीफ करके 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 ख़त्म नहीं हो रही है. इतना भर भर के टैलेंट भरा है. एंड आई थिंक दे did Windows का भी and so many others. So I'm super excited to watch other videos too. So what are you waiting for? Go give it a watch, and don't forget to like this video, share this video, and comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, then please let me know in the comments below so I can make more reaction videos. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.